Ever tried saving money, only to end up spending it all again? What if there was a way to make saving automatic? Something you do without even thinking about it. Imagine putting money away every month, no matter what life throws your way. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive into 8 simple habits that can help you stay consistent with your savings and build wealth over time. These aren't quick fixes. These habits can change the way you approach money for the long haul. Let's get started. 1. Pay yourself first. One of the most powerful habits for consistent saving is treating your savings as a non-negotiable expense. The moment you receive your paycheck, before paying bills, spending on entertainment, or anything else, transfer a set amount into your savings account. This pay yourself first approach ensures that your savings are prioritized. This habit forces you to focus on saving rather than waiting until you have money left at the end of the month. When saving is the first thing you do, it becomes a regular part of your routine rather than an afterthought. To make this habit even easier, consider setting a fixed percentage of your income to transfer every month. You don't need to start with a large sum. Even small amounts add up over time. With the savings first mindset, it's easier to stick to your goals because you're setting yourself up for success from the very beginning. The best part? It's automatic. Once you set it up, you won't have to think twice, and the money will begin to accumulate while you focus on other things. 2. Automate your savings. If you're someone who struggles with the temptation to spend, automation is your best friend. Set up automatic, recurring transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account every payday. By using technology, you remove the need for willpower and take the guesswork out of saving. It's simple. Set it once and you're good to go. Automating your savings means that the money goes straight into your savings or investment account without you having to make an effort. It's like paying a bill, except instead of spending, you're building wealth. This approach allows you to avoid the temptation to skip a month or underfund your savings. Over time, these automated contributions can grow into a substantial amount without you lifting a finger. The longer you commit to this habit, the more natural it becomes, and the less you miss that money. 3. Create and maintain a realistic budget. A budget isn't just a tool for controlling spending. It's a foundation of successful saving. To create a budget that helps you save consistently, track both your income and expenses. By understanding where your money is going, you can identify unnecessary spending and reallocate that money to savings. The key to a realistic budget is being honest about your habits and setting achievable goals. When you create a budget, aim to prioritize savings alongside your essential expenses. This helps to ensure that saving isn't an afterthought, but an integral part of your monthly routine. Plus, by tracking your finances regularly, you'll be able to make adjustments to your spending habits as needed. Even small tweaks can make a big difference. A budget allows you to make informed decisions about where your money goes, which in turn helps you stay on track with your savings. 4. Set specific, meaningful savings goals. Setting clear and specific savings goals can make all the difference in your financial journey. Whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a home down payment, or putting aside money for a long-awaited vacation, having a specific target in mind helps turn abstract numbers into something tangible. When you know exactly what you're working toward, it becomes easier to stay focused and motivated to save. The key is to set goals that are meaningful to you. For instance, if your dream is to buy a home, saving for a down payment should feel exciting and rewarding, not just a chore. To make these goals more achievable, break them down into smaller, manageable milestones. Instead of thinking about saving a large amount all at once, divide it into monthly or quarterly targets. This not only makes the process less overwhelming, but also provides you with a sense of accomplishment each time you hit a smaller goal. For example, if your target is $5,000 for a down payment, set a monthly goal of saving $400. This keeps you on track and lets you celebrate progress along the way. The clearer and more specific your goals, the better your chances of staying consistent and reaching them. 5. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This ensures that you won't need to dip into long-term investments or go into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and helps you stay on track with your savings, even when the unexpected happens. To build your emergency fund, start small and increase your savings gradually. Even if you only save $50 or $100 a month at first, you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up over time. Once your fund reaches a comfortable amount, you can shift your focus back to long-term savings or investment goals. This habit of saving for emergencies ensures that you won't need to put your financial goals on hold when life throws a curveball your way. 6. Implement a waiting period for purchases. Impulse spending is one of the most common hurdles when it comes to staying consistent with saving money. It's so easy to get swept up in the excitement of a new gadget, trendy clothes, or anything that catches your eye. But to truly stay on track with your savings goals, implementing a waiting period before making any non-essential purchases can be a game changer. When you feel the urge to buy something, commit to waiting for at least 24-72 hours before pulling the trigger. During this time, you'll have the chance to think more clearly about whether the purchase is necessary or simply an emotional impulse. Often, the initial excitement fades away as time passes, and you may realize the item isn't as essential as it once seemed. This simple habit helps to separate your wants from your needs, which is key to better financial decision-making. The waiting period not only reduces impulse buys, but also aligns your purchases with your long-term goals. By focusing on things that truly enhance your life, you'll not only save more, but also develop a healthier, more mindful approach to spending, ultimately contributing to your financial success. 7. Review finances regularly. Keeping track of your financial progress is key to staying consistent with saving. Schedule a quick weekly or monthly money check-in to review your expenses, savings goals, and overall financial health. This small habit keeps your goals top of mind and ensures that you're staying on track. It also allows you to celebrate small wins, such as reaching a savings milestone or cutting back on unnecessary spending. During your review, look for areas where you can improve, whether that's adjusting your budget, increasing your savings rate, or rethinking your goals. This regular check-in keeps you motivated and accountable, making it easier to stay consistent with saving. Plus, it allows you to spot any issues early on, preventing small problems from turning into bigger setbacks. 8. Start small and increase gradually. One of the most common reasons people fail to save consistently is because they set unrealistic expectations from the start. If saving a large amount feels overwhelming, start small. Set aside a small percentage of your income at first, and as you get more comfortable with your budget, gradually increase the amount you're saving. A great way to build momentum is by adopting a 52-week challenge, where you gradually increase your savings each week. Start by saving just $1 in the first week, $2 in the second week, and so on. By the end of the year, you'll have saved over $1,300 without feeling the burden all at once. This gradual approach to saving allows you to build the habit over time, ensuring that it becomes a consistent part of your routine without feeling like a major sacrifice. So, there you have it. The top 8 habits that can help you stay consistent with saving and build a more secure financial future. By implementing these habits into your life, you'll be well on your way to achieving your savings goals. Remember, consistency is key, and even small actions can lead to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.